And we're back. We just can't stop unboxing things. Welcome to Bytesector. My name's Chris. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel Stand. So as I said in my Pixel 3 unboxing, this isn't new. It's not something that's brand new to the market in any form or fashion, but it is relevant, it is interesting, and I want to show it to you guys. So here we go. Before I get into the box, a quick overview is the Pixel Stand is a Qi or a QI, however you want to pronounce it, wireless charger for the Pixel 3 platform. It's designed as sort of a nightstand accessory where you put your phone at night when you go to bed and you pick it up in the morning after it goes off and you get your alarm or you see your photos, or it's just a really nice accessory to have. I haven't tested it myself. This is just based on my impressions, based on Google's claims. A full review will come later. For now, we're just gonna take it out of the box. Why don't you come in closer? First off, I've taken a liberty of cutting the plastic off the bottom because it's just a pain in the butt. Didn't want to do that on camera. As you can see, it's got a vertical opening box, sort of like the Pixel 3 case, but we won't open it like a drawer this time. So we'll set that off to the side here. Actually, just looking in the top of the box here, you can see there's a little, where is it? There, notch, which holds the top of the Pixel Stand in place so that it doesn't move around in the box. A very Nest-like packaging approach, actually. So when you open it up, you see the Pixel Stand staring right at you. It looks beautiful, it's stark, the contrast is there, I love it. Nice orange base on the bottom here, covered in stickers to protect it and make it, keep its pristine appearance. One sticker on the front here, wraps around the back. We've got another sticker on the bottom here which covers the entire bottom. And even the charge port here. It covers the entire bottom here and even the charge port. A little notch for the cable coming out. Beautiful looking stand, a little chin to rest your phone against. In fact, since I have it here, that's how it would look. Anyways, moving beyond the stand itself, we're gonna take out the cardboard here. We've got a package of paper. I'm guessing this is quick start. Let's just slide that off. Oh, we got a Google card, just blue. And then basic safety, health information, and probably warranty. So the blue card definitely makes it look like a nicer package than maybe that information deserves, but it's all about presentation with Google these days, which is nice. Set that aside. In the bottom of the box here, we have a standard Type-C charger that we've come to know from Google. Exact same one that you'd get in a box with a Pixel 2 or even a Pixel 3. It's got the 2 amps and 9 volts or 5 volts, 3 amps charging. And then around the outside there, we've got our standard Type-C cable. So also welcome. That way you can use this on your nightstand and use the charger that comes with your Pixel device, your Pixel 3 device, as your travel charger to take with you to work or to anywhere else that you need a charger that there isn't one spare. And that's it for the bottom of the box. So we'll just slide that back in there because we don't need to see the ugly brown cardboard underneath. That is the Pixel Stand. It's a quick and dirty unboxing. I didn't promise you anything less or more. I will bring you a full review of this Pixel Stand in the probably coming weeks. Well, there you have it. The Pixel Stand unboxed. Looks nice, feels nice. We'll see how well it works as a charger and as a nightstand accessory. Thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below letting us know what we can improve for next time. But if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it so that you get notified the next time we post a video. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.